Hey there, fellow foodies! Welcome to today's video, where we're going to uncover the incredible benefits of ostrich meat. What if I told you there's a meat that's been hiding in plain sight, offering more protein, less fat, and a sustainable solution for meat lovers? Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, and let's dive in. Ostrich meat is not just a novelty, it's been consumed for centuries in some cultures. In fact, ostriches were first domesticated over 3,000 years ago in ancient Egypt. Who knew? But what makes ostrich meat so special? Let's take a closer look. Ostrich meat contains up to 25% protein and as little as 3% fat. That's more protein and less fat than traditional meats. It's also rich in iron, low in cholesterol, and a good source of micronutrients like vitamins B12 and B6. As you can see, ostrich meat outshines beef, pork, and lamb in terms of nutrition. But don't just take my word for it. Chefs, nutritionists, and farmers agree. Ostrich meat is a game changer.
I was blown away by the tenderness and flavor of ostrich meat. It's a must-try for any meat lover.
I was skeptical at first, but after trying ostrich meat, I was hooked. The taste, the nutrition, the sustainability, it all adds up to a truly amazing food experience. And I'm not alone. Thousands of people have made the switch to ostrich meat and never looked back. Ostrich farming has a lower environmental impact compared to traditional livestock farming. It's a more sustainable choice.
We're proud to raise ostriches using eco-friendly practices. It's better for the planet and better for our customers.
In conclusion, ostrich meat offers an unbeatable combination of nutrition, health benefits, sustainability, and versatility. So why not give it a try? And the best part? Ostrich meat is not just for meat lovers, it's also a great option for those with dietary restrictions. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of ostrich meat. Imagine a world where meat lovers and eco-warriors unite, thanks to ostrich meat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.